Did you know that under HIPAA, a patient's voice itself is considered a biometric identifier? That means if an audio recording can be linked back to an individual via any one of the 18 HIPAA identifiers, including name, address, or medical record numbers, then the entire file is classified as protected health information. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at how modern hospital records custodians are handling the explosion of audio data, from telehealth consultations to billing voicemails, without risking massive federal penalties. If you're still trying to manually snip and mute files using basic editing tools, then you are leaving your organization exposed. Stick around to see how AI is completely changing the compliance landscape. Every single day, hospitals, clinics, and billing departments generate thousands of hours of audio recordings. Think about telehealth visits, patient scheduling, and insurance calls, just to name a few. The traditional solution was to just lock these files away. But today, records must be shared for legal requests, internal audits, or even training. And so hiding the data isn't enough anymore. It's got to be protected. I want you to drop a comment below. What type of audio does your organization handle the most? Is it telehealth syncs or billing center recordings? Let us know. True HIPAA-compliant audio redaction isn't just about throwing a bleep over a name. It requires a highly structured, 5-step technical process to ensure zero data leaks. Step 1 is transcription. The software automatically converts the entire audio recording into searchable text. And this is going to allow you to review the file by reading it rather than listening to hours of tape from start to finish. Step 2 is flagging PHI, where the AI automatically catches categories like names, social security numbers, or health plan IDs. CaseGuard specifically allows you to apply redactions right from the transcript. Moreover, this is also where you change the pitch of your speaker's voice to anonymize them. Step 3 is the actual redaction. The software mutes or bleeps the audio waveform, and the text transcript will reflect that upon export.
Oral case presentation of Mr. on January 23rd, 2023. Mr. is a 62-year-old man with
Finally, steps 4 and 5 are audit trail generation and metadata scrubbing. The system documents who altered the file and wipes all hidden background properties from the file so that no unauthorized individuals can have any possible way to compromise it. If this breakdown is helping you understand how to safeguard your department's workflow, please give that like button a quick tap and subscribe to our channel for more compliance-focused content. Now, some legacy teams still rely on standard consumer audio tools to manually find, snip, and mute phrases. But let's be perfectly clear here. This is an incredibly dangerous approach for a modern hospital. Manual cutting takes an immense amount of time. It's highly susceptible to human oversight, and it leaves absolutely zero legal audit trail to defend your workflow during a federal investigation. By utilizing HIPAA-compliant audio redaction software, the system auto-scans for predefined PHI categories across high volumes of files simultaneously. Rather than spending hours editing a single recording line by line, your human team members shift to a quick, high-level reviewer role. If you're shopping for an audio redaction tool, then there are specific enterprise-level capabilities that you have to demand. First, it needs to be a broad category coverage to recognize all 18 HIPAA-defined identifiers, not just the names and dates. Second, demand transcript-based redaction. Finally, focus heavily on on-premise deployment. To completely bypass cloud vulnerabilities, third-party server risks, and complex BAAs, then your team needs software that runs entirely inside your local network. Protecting patient voice data doesn't have to stall your operations. And by executing a secure 5-step process and keeping your data strictly local, you can easily neutralize the risk of an audio PHI leak. To see this technology in action, head on over to caseguard.com right now to book a personalized demo and discover how to make your redaction workflow up to 32 times faster than manual editing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next guide.